Renal anatomy and physiology. The kidneys kind of function like two washer machines, helping to wash the blood from waste, toxins, and impurities, but also to help regulate fluid volume by reabsorbing water from being lost in the urine. Now, in terms of location, the kidneys are located in the center of the body and receive blood from the heart. So just think, after blood leaves the heart from that left ventricle, 25% of the cardiac output, this blood coming out of the heart, goes directly to the renals via the descending aorta. Like a one-way ticket to Kidney Town. Yoo-hoo! Now, once blood gets sucked into the kidneys, the first stop is the nephron, aka the functional unit of the kidney. And this is where all the action happens. Inside, we have these little high-powered washers called the glomeruli, a network of small blood vessels, or capillaries, located in the beginning of the nephron. And inside the glomeruli is the Bowman's capsule of the renal corpuscle. And this is where blood gets filtered and cleaned, kind of like a washing machine bubble. I mean, the picture even looks like a washing machine here. Okay, now this is a lot of nice to know anatomy here, but the highly tested need to know information for the NCLEX and nursing exams, key term, write it down, is GFR, the glomerular filtration rate. Over 90 mLs per minute is normal. Write that down. This helps us to assess how clients' kidneys are functioning and comes very, very handy when assessing renal failure, those failed washer machines here. Now, in terms of the functions of the kidney, the memory trick we use is free, like free the P. F is for filtration of waste, medications, and electrolytes, because we know where fluids flow, electrolytes go. Click here to check out our brand new app-based NCLEX product, loaded with the highest quality NCLEX style practice questions, and complete with detailed video rationales that break down the questions for you. So finally master all those darn select all that apply questions. Plus, all our NCLEX memberships come included with our entire library of over 1,000 videos and study guides and cheat sheets. Come see why over 100,000 students have trusted their future to simplenursing.com. Click here to get started for free. And R is for reabsorption of water with ADH, the antidiuretic hormone. So the memory trick we use is ADH, add to H2O, keeping water in the body and not in the potty. And E is for erythropoietin, which is a hormone released by the kidneys that stimulates bone marrow to produce RBCs, those red blood cells which help carry oxygen around the body. So when the kidneys fail, we get very dirty blood, filled with waste, electrolytes, and we retain a lot of water, as well as low RBCs, that low blood count, which is called anemia. Now, we break this all down in the renal failure lectures, but this is why it's so important to know the physiology and patho first. So you don't have to memorize, you can actually understand what's going on in the body. Now, Hesse mentions the 3 phases of urine formation, and the answer is filtration, reabsorption, as well as secretion. So the key term here is filtration. Now, speaking of filtration, as mentioned before, the elimination of medications. This is the last stop of pharmacokinetics. When drugs are done in the body, well, then they go into the potty. This is where we get the term half-life, meaning how long it takes for half of the drug to be used up in the body, and finally E, eliminated into the potty. And lastly, the 3 waste products that you need to know for the NCLEX that are filtered by the kidneys. Let's break this down in our next segment for renal lab values and UA. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this segment. Don't forget to take your quiz and download the study guides. Thanks for watching. For our full video and new quiz bank, click right up here to access your free trial. And please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Last but not least, a big thanks to our team of experts helping us make these great videos. All right, guys, see you next time.